So some bees are scouting this hive last like 3-4 days now. As you can see, this one, this Chinook, and this one especially is too much activities going on, and these are all empty hives. And you can see today is a lots of going on. I don't know, they're going to move or same story. So after 5 days of scouts, today is the day which swarm arrived. Most of them are in. I'll just come late, but the swarm, most of them are in now. So yeah, as you can see, all over the places, they're everywhere. Zoom in to see. You can see the swarm just gone inside some of them. They're all over the places.